Hi, this is Anita Chan at Compass Edge. Today is October 23rd, 2018. I'm back in China. I'm staying at Hyatt Regency in Wuhan. I just connected to the hotel Wi-Fi and I type in facebook.com and see how things are changing or if not changing in China. So we know Facebook is blocked in China. So you can see, it's been trying to load, but it comes back with an error message saying that Safari cannot open the page because the server stopped responding. So definitely Facebook is blocked in China. So let's see, what happened for Google. So Google, the same thing, you type it in and nothing is loading up. So, this is what happened in China. Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, a long list of websites are blocked in China. So what Chinese normally will do is they will use Baidu, which is the equivalent of Google, which is the search engine in China. So if I type in Baidu, you can see Baidu website comes up right away. So that's definitely no problem with the internet at the hotel. So normally Chinese do not use search engine the same way as we are in the West. They got inspiration from social media. So when they are looking for a hotel, they will actually go to Ctrip. So let's go to Ctrip and take a look. Okay, so I look for overseas hotels and I want to go to Helsinki, November 7th to the 9th. And I just search and you can see the speed of Ctrip coming up very fast. And I'm looking for like 5-star hotel. Again, it comes up very fast with the map and everything when I stroll. So you know exactly which hotel you want and what you're looking. So now, actually, Hotel St. George Helsinki is one of our hotel. And I just want to, I'm interested in this hotel. I really love this hotel. I want to check it out. It's a nice 5-star hotel. So you can see this is the Chinese name on the Ctrip. So what normally Chinese would do is they will copy and paste the name and look if the hotel has a Chinese website or any other information. So you can see, after I type in the name, Ctrip, TripAdvisor, Booking.com, Elong comes up. And actually on the first page, not bad, the hotel official Chinese website comes up. So I press the official website. You can see because the hotel has a .com.cn domain and also hosted in China, it comes up very, very quickly. So this is the Chinese website that we create for the hotel, and you can see we put in the QR code to directly link to the hotel Weibo account, and you can just press. Okay, and then you can open in Weibo and you can go directly to the hotel Weibo account. So that's basically, how fast this hotel can come up also on Weibo, and then people can look at the posts, the engagements and everything. And this is the way that things are working in China.